not. What the? Wait! I just pulled out from my crib. No, what do y'all want?
That does not make you exempt, ma'am. See, this is what I'm talking about.
Y'all see me pull out of my house to get gas. I just see you over there. I see you.
He getting hungry.
It's illegal for you to just pull me. What was the reason? But you didn't tell me a reason why you just pulled on my plate because it's a chip plate and I just called. What's the reason? What's the reason? You don't have your seatbelt on the drive. I did just have my seatbelt on. Okay. And I just took it off.
Ma'am, you can't prove that you had the seatbelt on and you just took it off if you're standing out the car. Only you can prevent it be racial. I cannot understand you. I like that. You can. I can see that.
I don't have nothing for you. No, you not. Why are you even bothering me? I just have my seatbelt on. No, I have to go to work. Are they gonna fire me? No, I'm not gonna do this with you. Y'all know what they're doing.
Oh, I hate when people go through this route. Like,
stop talking to me. 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 Please stop talking to me. I got the argument on my mom. Please stop talking to me.
Repeat and stop talking to me 8 times to a police officer. It's not going to make them stop talking to you.
Are you going to refuse to provide me with your driver's license?
And clearly you either don't have a license or something, because how hard is it to say, oh shit, I didn't have my seatbelt on, here goes my license and registration so you can get out my face. You working harder to get them out your face had you just given them your shit.
This man was just sitting on Rosedale. Now I'm at the gas station and he just pulled me over. He followed me to
And telling your mama about the car accident or the being pulled over ain't gonna make them go away. I hate how people develop that God complex about their parents, that they can protect them from everything. That's what I'm saying. Like, imagine your daughters right now get pulled over and say, Mom, the cop got me. Come get me. You still can't do shit then.
No, but still, I'll be there to help them in whichever way that I can.
Support is all you can from the sidelines. I wasn't supposed to look, you're supposed to tell me. That's his job, to sit and monitor the roads.
You're going to be placed under arrest. Last time. Are you going to give me your driver's license, move insurance, or are you going to be placed under arrest? Last question. Yes or no? You're under arrest.
Girl, you arrested. You shouldn't have fought. Girl, not touching you is not even an option no more. Sorry. Girl, why you having rubbing your stomach all against the gas pump? People gotta touch that. I would love to know where she worked and who's not either getting their food or getting served. Be some shit to hear. Christy, tell Miss T I'm not coming in today. The cops are arresting me. That's what I'm saying. My first thing for real, I don't mind taking accountability for what I did wrong. And I think that's what a lot of people just are not trained to just own up to it.
We have plenty of chances for you not to have to do that. And I allow you to do that, but you're
Yes. Thank you. To go, please. This is not a mukbang, so don't even get that in y'all head. I'm at lunch with a coworker. I'm not eating for y'all entertainment.
Thank you.
But I will. You're so petty.
And y'all just, but he just said, he just told me it wasn't.
But not to arrest you on the traffic stop.
But I just want the female to be around.
Are y'all flats
Before you came.
or a drum person? I personally like both. Hold up. I personally like both. I had to push pause.
I cannot.
But I like my flat so I could do this and spread it. And I feel like the drumstick itself has character. So you could just play with it around it. Yeah. That's why I don't do that at home. I could never do this at home. It feels like I'm talking to myself. Like I'm talking to you when I'm doing this. So it makes it easier.
Before y'all even came.
All right. Oh yeah, are y'all a blue cheese or a ranch person? I like blue cheese. I've been accused of being broken because I don't like ranch. Blue cheese is for you adults out there. Y'all know what beer tastes like. I don't, but I like blue cheese. Fuck this girl in her situation. She arrested already.